Hey guys, welcome back. And everywhere in the internet, people are predicting will ChatGPT replace the developers' jobs and other tech jobs, and they are hinting at multiple opinions. So today we are asking ChatGPT itself, will ChatGPT replace developers' jobs, and hope we get an intelligent answer. So guys, now I just came to the ChatGPT website, and here I am typing, will ChatGPT replace jobs. So I have here written, will ChatGPT replace developers jobs, and let us look at its answer. So it successfully created the answer, and it's saying it is unlikely that ChatGPT or any other language model will fully replace the role of developers, and it's saying it's will not the ChatGPT will not completely replace the developers jobs. You can pause this video and read what is it saying, and in an overview it's saying like it will not fully replace developers jobs. There are needs for developers, some specific areas, and they are describing it, and this is the answer from the ChatGPT side. Will it ChatGPT replace developers jobs? So guys, that is the ChatGPT point of view, and now we move on to my point of view. So I think ChatGPT is not going to replace developers jobs in the near future, but it may replace in the far future. So as a developer, you must up to date to the new technologies in this AI era and create some time to learn it. Also, you can become more productive and use your creativity to build some product around this AI tools. Like you can become a freelancer content writer using ChatGPT with a little creativity. So you can build a business using these free AI tools and reduce the operational costs using these free AI tools. Like you can use the ChatGPT to write the content of your business, and use Canva for the designs, and use other new AI tools to grow your business in a professional way. In final, don't get afraid of the AI replacing your jobs, but use your creativity in this AI era.